In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 4, and let me show you how to add or remove Google account on this device. So at first you need to open list of all apps, go to settings then, and now locate accounts. And here, as you can see, we do have account added, so let's start with the removal process. So whenever you would like to get rid of this account, smoothly mark it, tap on remove account, and confirm it by tapping on remove account. So actually that's it. As you can see, it has been already deleted. And then whenever you wish to add Google account, at first make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, because otherwise it will not be possible. Then open accounts, click on add account, pick Google, and now enter your email address or phone number. And now click on next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next and you will be in this panel then. Just decide if this is your device of your kiddos, then tap on next. And here take a look at Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the above documents, just tap on I agree. And then tap on more, accept. And that's it. As you can see, your account has been added. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.